Ooh. God, I love no rust. Those are gonna be 21s. Wiggle, wiggle. Come on. Now. Thank you. There you go. Come on. Ow. Top. Bottom. There you go. Take this shit off. Stop it. There you go. So this brake line is not stretched. This is not stretched. So we're okay. Yeah, I'm good, brother. Appreciate you, man.
Okay, cuídalo.
All right, cuidado. Put it right under there. Let's see. Let's get the axle splitter instead. Okay. Okay. There you go. She's out. Put that in. Okay. Let me take her out. And that's it. Then we grab that new one. And we slide her in. Like that. Make sure the smooth splines. Then we hit it. Bam. She's in. See? Only little. Look at that fluid though. Dirty. Dirty vato. I would recommend them to get a fucking pressure wash. Some anti-seize. You know, I know it's not gonna rust in there, but make it easier for the next guy. Excuse me, can you go in, please? Can I make this difficult for me? Ahí está. She's in. Get in. There you go. There you go. Bottom bolt. There you go. Ahí está. Ahí está. These go like. Just put this brake line on, start her up, snug it down. That's it. Down. All right, brother, careful. Replace. Let's get torque specs. So 136 foot-pounds. Work it. All right. Alrighty then. All right, on. That's done. Let's not forget our tool. There. This one, put this one here. Nice stuff. Let's get the wheel. So these are tight. That hose back on. Brake line's on. Speed sensor cable is on. Those two bolts are on. So this is a 21 mil. That's a 32. She's done. That's it. one more. All right.
Emma?
Emma?
What are you doing here?
Huh?
Supposed to be like behind the counter?
I know, man, but I do everything. Appreciate you, brother.
Okay. And last thing?
Make sure no more clunking, because customers saying